The title of the story is The Whisperer in Darkness. The author is H.P. Lovecraft, and this is The Graveyard Shift. Bear in mind closely that I did not see any actual visual horror at the end. To say that a mental shock was the cause of what I inferred, the last straw which sent me racing out of the lonely Akeley farmhouse and through the wild domed hills of Vermont in a commandeered motor at night,
just the one line.
is to ignore the effects of my final experience.
Foul ball, male hygiene spray. You know, sometimes below the waterline you could leak. That's why I need new foul ball. Something good for a thing. I look like that. Sorry! This is fabulous. I couldn't believe it. Tommy, this can's too cold.
Do the line now. Just leave the line.
Hello, I'm Toby. You know, I have very few Jewish friends, if any, but I'd like to say, won't you please help support the United Goyim College Fund? Help learn a child to eat hot dogs this year, mayonnaise and corned beef.
Can we get another accident, please?
Oh, give me a chance, please. I need this.
You want to say, I didn't hear what you said. I just said that, you know, even though I...
Сейчас не сказать. Возникает безглавно. Something I want to tell you спеяло. Howard Storm is directing goddamn commercials. It's incredible that he can find a camera small enough to work there.
That's what the small director. Every morning he lives my kid. It's time for the little special puppet show for the
Please have the line, Mr. Williams.
I'm just happy to call you. Thank you.
You know, amnesia is
Just reading the line, please.
This isn't the dance. Oh, I'm sorry, this isn't Dan's favorite trick.
Like Barbara Streisand says.
Sing anything, shoot me in profile, I'll walk into Vaseline, I can sing anything.
Bad cut.
But Elizabeth, I have needs, Elizabeth.
Turn around and face the camera, please. Thank you.
Oh, yes, thank you. Miller, a light beer. A beer for now.
It's an entirely different kind of flying, altogether.
Now, there seem to be three separate instances involved. One connected with the another attached to the West River in Windham County beyond Newfane, and a third century Aussie Pacific in Caledonia County above Lyndonville. Of course, many of the stray items mentioned other instances, but on analysis they all seem to boil down to these three. In each case, country folk reported seeing one or more very bizarre and disturbing objects in the surging waters that poured down through the unfrequented hills. And there was a widespread tendency to connect these sites with
coming
a
up to
primitive,
21 minutes
half-forgotten
past
cycle
1.
of whispered
And if you're
legends
still
which
feeling
old
in the
people
mood for company,
resurrected
Radio
for
2
the
is the
occasion.
place to find it with Peter Dixon's Night Ride.
What people
And
thought
it's followed
they saw
by a country concert
were
presented by
organic
Wally Whiten
shapes,
starting
not quite
at
like
3
any that they
a.m.
had ever seen before.
But from all of us at the Television Centre, good night to you.
Et ce fait bougon par pudeur, plus doux.